Call my shit a two-tone, nigga, got 2 reflections. Feel like 22 phones, I got no reception. I put something new on, boy, ain't it a blessing. Play broke till I blow, keep it low like a reception. I call my shit a two-tone, nigga, got 2 reflections. Feel like 22 phones, I got no reception. I put something new on, boy, ain't it a blessing. Play broke till I blow, keep it low like a reception. Don't disrespect it, my hustle excellent. My fault, I'm reckless. This shit is senseless. Weight on my shoulders like a necklace. I'm drinking blessings. I stack like Tetris. Adjust your redness. 1080p, my shit in HD. My vision Blu-ray. Your vision blurry off a new shade. You sweet like Kool-Aid. I'm on a bench, been up a few days. Could've went a few ways. I keep it pushing, I've been moving. This ain't no new thing, but you can't hold my shit up.
Like shit that day like a motherfucking lollipop. I did that little bitty bitch with the candy shop. Punching that day like a motherfucking bucky stick. Go ahead and gun like I brought my own Nike stick. I make a gun and I stand on top of it. I see your bitch and I let her on top of it. I'm in the top like an eagle on Donovan. Out of that word and a hundred of providence. Like an effort but I'm into the dominance. All these bitches looking giving me confidence. Don't feel like I should explain this shit common sense. I took a trip to a whole different continent. I said mojito and count out the comments fish. What do you mean? Starting a bungalow. Me and them bros are hanging like ornaments. I ran my life, I guess you in a tournament. Rocking a big bitch, I'm importing it. You took a lie, but you just aborting it. Drip on my neck with a Burberry cardigan. Here at the way, little bit we started it. I may fucked up if you think you a part of it. Turn up the bass, I'm finna bombard the bitch. Yeah.
Blood in, blood out.
You a bitch, your mama bitch, your mom's a hoe, and I'm killing you.
許せ、サスケ。これで最後だ。